F2 generation. That is also known as second filial generation. Second filial generation is comprised of the offsprings produced by the inbreeding or the selfing of the F1 generation. Means, like in a cross, when we cross a pure tall and pure dwarf plant, so we get the pure hybrid tall in the F1 generation, capital T and small t. Now when this capital T and individual with capital T and small t are selfed or inbred, then what we get the F2 generation. Next is the homozygous chromosome. What are homozygous chromosomes? Morphologically, genetically, structurally identical chromosomes present in a diploid cell called the homologous chromosome, and these homologous chromosomes comprise of one paternal and one maternal chromosome. Next comes the backcross. A cross between F1 progeny with any of the parent is known as the backcross. Like we have seen, अगर हम क्रॉस करते हैं tall plant and dwarf plant में, तो what we will get the F1 generation of tall plant. This F1 generation, when crossed with either the tall parent or the recessive parent, then that cross is known as the backcross. Test cross. Test cross is what? It is the cross where the F1 generation is crossed with only the recessive parent, then it is known as the test cross. Monohybrid cross, again simple thing. Mono means single, hybrid means heterozygous, single character, when we talk about the single character or trait. So a cross between two parents differing in one pair of contrasting character is known as monohybrid cross. Dihybrid cross, a cross between two parents differing in two pair of contrasting character is called dihybrid cross. Like example, a cross between pure tall and yellow seeded plant means plant is tall and having the yellow seeds, and it is crossed with a pure dwarf and green seeded plant. Pure dwarf and bearing the green seeds. So we are considering two character at a time, hence the cross is known as monohybrid cross. Then comes the phenotypic ratio. Phenotypic ratio, we can understand it is the ratio of the phenotype. Phenotype means external appearance. So what is the phenotypic ratio? The ratio of the F2 generation offsprings with respect to the phenotypic appearance is called phenotypic ratio. That is 3:1. 3 tall and 1 dwarf. When we will cross the inbreed the F1 generation capital T and small t, in the last we will get 4 plants. Out of these 4 plants, 3 are the tall and 1 is the dwarf, and the ratio is 3:1, which is known as phenotypic ratio. Then comes the genotypic ratio. Genotypic ratio is what? It is the ratio of the F2 generation of offsprings with respect to the genetic makeup is called genotypic ratio. That is the what we had seen, 3:1, 3 tall and 1 dwarf. Now in these 3 tall, 1 is the pure tall and 2 are the hybrid tall, and therefore now the ratio is the 1:2:1 based on the genetic constitution, and this is known as the genotypic ratio.